Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is like one of the most highly requested videos I've had, even though I'm not perfect at applying lashes, but then I finally figured out how to apply lashes on myself. As you guys know, I have curly lashes, so if you want to see how I go from that to this, please keep watching. So first of all, you always want to make sure you apply your lashes after you have finished your eye makeup. I'm going to be using these lashes from Wink Lashes, and I'm also going to be using their lash glue. They have a lot of amazing styles. If you guys know, I've been using their lashes for a long time and I really love them. And then now you want to use the lashes without applying any glue to measure it to see if it fits to your lashes. And this one was too long for me, so I cut it off. You always want to cut it from the outer edge and not the inner edge. Inner corner rather. So now I'm just going to apply a thin layer of lash glue and then bend the lashes this way, just so it doesn't pop up or pop out of my eyes or whatever. Now I'm just going to line my eyes. This step is really optional, but it helps me to like hide mistakes, especially when I'm using a dark eyelash glue. So it will just help me hide my mistakes. If you guys know, I've struggled with applying lashes so much, but like I finally got a hold of it. I'm not perfect, but then I think I'm better than how I was before. I'm just going to apply mascara, and if you guys don't know, I have extremely curly lashes. That was why this was like a big problem for me. Like my lashes literally curl into each other. I'm just going to use this kind of tweezers just to press my lashes down. This is the technique I was using before, but it wasn't really working for me. I trimmed some of my lashes. That's what made it easier for me. I wouldn't advise you to do this if you don't wear makeup every day and like you want your lashes to be popping. I don't wear makeup every day, but I really don't care. So that was why I trimmed it. I just wanted it to be easier. Okay, now I just place the lashes in the middle. If you notice, I place the lashes in the middle first, and then I'm adjusting it on the outer edge and the inner corner. It is really easy. It is as easy as it looks, actually. Really. It's just that you just need to practice and keep practicing, and with time you're just going to get used to it. After I do this, I usually use my fingers. That's if I don't have like false nails on, to just press them together and apply my mascara, and that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it was helpful. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. What part of makeup gave you like a tough time?